Hello everyone. Tonight, me and my dad we did laundry. Today is Sunday. My mom is coughing. Shh. So I don't need to tell you the date. Today, me and my dad did a panty laundry. See for yourself. Panties, 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 all the way to the end. See, we had a lot of panties for our laundry. And guess what? When I went in the bathroom to use the loo, there was another panty, so I locked it. See, my pen. This is the panty I found over here, and then it found this just shed, and then this other panty is all going to the end.